Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many of you creating content with AI voiceovers have likely encountered, the ElevenLabs Unusual Activity Detected problem. If you've been locked out or are struggling to use ElevenLabs for your Faceless channel or branding voiceovers, you're in the right place. This error often pops up as a security measure by ElevenLabs to prevent the creation of multiple free accounts instead of users upgrading to a paid plan. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a couple of straightforward solutions to get you back to generating high-quality AI voices. Solution number 1. The patient approach, the 24-hour wait. If you've just created an ElevenLabs account and immediately encountered the Unusual Activity Detected error, the simplest fix might just be time. ElevenLabs often places a temporary hold on newly created accounts that trigger this flag. Here's what you do. Simply leave that account as it is for at least 24 hours. You can even leave the browser tab open if you're able to. In many cases, after this 24-hour period, the temporary ban will have been lifted, and you should be able to start using ElevenLabs for your voiceovers without any further issues. So, sometimes, a little patience is all it takes. Solution number 2. The temporary email workaround, for when you can't wait. Now, I understand that sometimes you need those voiceovers urgently and waiting 24 hours isn't ideal. In that situation, here's a temporary solution you can use while your original account is in its waiting period. You can create a temporary email address using one of the many free temporary email services available online. Once you have a temporary email, head over to ElevenLabs and create a brand new account using this temporary email address. This will allow you to access and use ElevenLabs immediately without having to wait for the initial 24-hour ban on your first account to be lifted. Just remember that this is a temporary solution. You'll eventually want to either wait for your original account to be unlocked or consider the next tip for a more permanent solution. Solution number 3. The permanent solution. Upgrade your ElevenLabs plan. The most reliable and interruption-free way to avoid the Unusual Activity Detected problem altogether and to support the developers at ElevenLabs is to subscribe to one of their paid plans. By upgrading, you not only gain access to more features, higher character limits, and potentially better voice quality, but you also signal to ElevenLabs that you are a legitimate user committed to their platform. This significantly reduces the likelihood of triggering their security measures and facing these temporary blocks. If you're serious about using ElevenLabs for your content creation, investing in a paid plan is definitely the way to go. So there you have it, a few practical ways to tackle the ElevenLabs Unusual Activity Detected problem. Whether you choose the patient 24-hour wait, the temporary email workaround, or the permanent solution of upgrading your plan, I hope this video has helped you get back to creating amazing content with AI voiceovers. If you found these tips helpful, please comment down below and let me know which solution worked for you. Don't forget to like this video if it provided value, share it with other creators who might be facing this issue, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on content creation and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.